You're likely paying a gut tax you didn't even sign up for. Most people spend $40 a month on high-end probiotics, thinking they're buying a health miracle. But for most of us, those expensive microbes are just passing through. Look, if your gut health routine feels like it's stuck on mute, it's not the pill's fault. You're likely just a bad landlord. Today, we're showing you the starvation secret and how to finally turn your gut into a high-performance startup. Here's the reality. Probiotics are tourists. They aren't moving in forever. When you eat that yogurt or take that capsule, you're sending in reinforcements. They fight off the looters. They keep the peace, but they're just on a day trip. To make their visit actually count for your skin, your mood, and your energy, they need a reason to do the work. And right now, most of them are starving. See, we think of our gut as a storage tank, but it's actually a competitive marketplace. If you don't give the good guys a competitive advantage, the bad guys, the ones that cause bloating and brain fog, will simply outwork them. Many people provide an empty fridge for their microbes. That's where prebiotics come in. Think of them as the paycheck. See, you can't digest things like raw garlic, leeks, or slightly green bananas, but your microbes, they live for it. Without this fuel, your probiotics are like workers showing up to a job with no pay and no tools. They don't die instantly, but they definitely won't put in the overtime for you. They'll just drift through your system and leave without making a single repair. Now, here is a secret that you need to know. Your morning habits might be the key to this whole city. Did you know that your morning coffee actually contains polyphenols that act as a prebiotic? It primes the environment. But if you drink that coffee on an empty stomach and skip the fiber, you're revving up the engine with no fuel in the tank. If you want to see a real change in your energy levels, you need to pair that morning caffeine with resistant starch. Think of a cold potato salad or even oats that have been chilled overnight. These act like a slow-release fertilizer for your gut. It keeps the city running, even while you're busy with your day. The pro move is the symbiotic strategy. The rule: never send a worker in without a lunchbox. Yogurt? Add a sliced banana. Miso? Add raw garlic. When you pair them, you trigger a microscopic trade deal. Your microbes eat, and in return, they produce butyrate. This is the gold of gut health. It repairs your lining and keeps inflammation in check. It's the difference between a wasted supplement and a total body upgrade. It's about building an infrastructure, not just taking a pill. Now, a quick warning. Don't let the aesthetic packaging fool you. If your probiotic drink is hitting you with 20 grams of sugar, you're sabotaging the mission. Excessive sugar feeds the looters, the bad bacteria and yeast, giving them the home field advantage over your new roommates. Look for the live cultures, but skip the sugar bomb. Your founders deserve better than a junk food diet. At the end of the day, you are the CEO of a metropolis of trillions. Stop being a bad boss. Feed your founders. If this finally helped you stop wasting money, do us a favor and hit that like button. It helps the algorithm know that science still matters. And make sure to subscribe so you can learn more about the tiny life that shapes our world every single day. Thanks for watching.